Opportunity to deplane. If you change your mind and don't want to travel to Philadelphia with us, otherwise reconnect you in that seat. Have your seatbelt securely fastened. Your seat back in the upper position. Your tray table stowed. As a reminder, your large electronic device, your laptop computer is on. Notice the seatbelt sign is on. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back and tray table are up and stowed, and your large electronic device is turned off and placed under the seat.
Service back to Philadelphia. You guys were around a couple minutes late here. We'll do what we can to make as much time as possible. Get you out there as safely as possible. I just tell you to get comfortable. A little bumpy on the way in here, so probably gonna be.
Good evening and welcome to Philadelphia. The time is 8 o'clock. For your continued safety as well as the safety of those around you, remain in your seats, keep your seatbelt securely fastened, the aisles clear, and the bins closed until we are parked at the gate. You'll know when it is safe to stand when the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening up the overhead bins. Articles may have shifted during the flight. It's a good idea if you look in your seat pocket and your surrounding seat area and make sure you don't leave any of your personal belongings behind. You may now use your cell phone. If you have a connection to make here in Philadelphia, I suggest you go directly to your connecting gate. For updated gate and travel information, visit aa.com from your personal device or check out the television monitors posted throughout the airport. The gate agent representative can answer all further questions. Our new arrival gate will be in Terminal C. C is in Charlie, number 25. If your connection is out of the F concourse, follow the signs to gate C16. Flight attendants, verify, disarm doors, stand by for all call.